Hey guys, it's me, Scratch, and today we will be using our visual inventory for our shooter maze game. That's right. So make your visual inventory first, and then put the sprite in here. Okay, now let's go to our last shooter game, maze game. You have to complete all the tutorials first, and then now we can rename this to shooter maze game, and then the what part is this? I think this is part 1. That's crazy. But anyways, yeah. Okay, so let's import the inventory. Well, it looks like I already have this. Let me just delete that. Okay. As you can see, we have our inventory right here. We don't want to delete all of inventory or say quit because we already have that stuff. Okay, so I see our inventory is being made. We do not want that. So instead, when when the key I is pressed, because that's my inventory activate key. Repeat until we add a repeat until and then not key I pressed. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. So now that we have that, let's try that. So if you hold I, yep. But everything goes to the back layer. So what we want to do is change this stuff to clones. Okay, so basically to set this stuff to clones, we have to make 2 receives. So one for this, and then we'll make this delete this clone. We can remove the erase all. And instead of stamping, we just create clone myself and create clone myself here. Okay. Also, when I start as a clone, we show. Okay, so now if I hold I, and oh my god. Okay, as you can see, stuff isn't exactly going out as planned. But first, we got to start costumes. As you see, we have apple and bananas. No, see, let's go to our items. So we need to drag the health pack, the key. And we also have to go to our guns, and we have to drag the guns into there too. Okay. Hey guys, so make sure you make as many keys, yeah. So you have if you have keys in your game, let's go to items. Like for example, over here, right? I have 3 keys. Well, you're gonna have to put that many keys in your inventory sprite so that they'll know how many there are. So if you have a key 1, key 2, key 3, I just added 10 extra so that I don't have if I add more keys or something, then I won't have to repeatedly go to that. I don't have to repeatedly add it here. So you can add some already and it won't show in your inventory. But see, let me just show you. Any key 1, so I can see key 1, and it wouldn't show until it doesn't show until you add it to your inventory. So key 1 selected. Boom. Well, if I hold I, let's go to the player, and I think that wait, no, it's not here. It's somewhere else is where we show the actual. Oh yeah, here. So wait, where's the code for showing the inventory? Here it is. So we don't want to show the list inventory. Okay. Oh, okay. So now when I key pressed, do we want to do is actually let's drag this into the player. So now as you can see, whenever we hold I, our everything else also shows. So we're going to change that. So when I key pressed, repeat until not, and then I key pressed. Repeat until not key I pressed. So then we set ghost effect to 100. See, setting ghost effect is different from hiding. Because when you set the ghost effect, it all because whenever you hide something, the sensing category just doesn't work at all. But when you set ghost effect, it hides it, but the sensing stuff still works. Okay. So now all we gotta do is Let's see, where is it? One I key pressed. Okay, we drag this into the level, the enemies. Let's also do to the health bars, you know, and then the feet, the joysticks, the bullets. Let's see. Also, I think we should do this, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just see how it is now. So if I hold I, ooh, yeah, that's stuff. It does not look good. We also have to set to guns and doors thumbnail. Yeah, let's set to doors too. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so everything's okay except for the backdrop. But let's just. So if we go to the inventory right now, wait, why? Oh yeah, and we gotta put delete this clone here. So now, oh yeah, we have to add wait 0 seconds. So now when I hold I, yeah, okay. So now, whoops, I accidentally changed my language. Let's change it back to English. Whoops. Okay, there you go. So now on the costumes. Oh, we only have health pack and key. Huh? I guess I didn't add the gun, so let's add them now. Cause see, okay, we have them. So I have a hold I. Yep, as you can see, the bouncer gun is there. But except it's not centered. We gotta center it. Make sure your sprites are centered, no matter what. Okay, now let's do this again. Boom. Now we need to make them look way bigger than they do. So how about I just hold all? Okay, let's see this. Oh, that's too big. Got to change it a little bit smaller. Just a tad bit smaller than that. Okay, let's do this. Yep. Oh yeah, the curvature doesn't really exactly look good. There we go. So if I hold I, you can see is like that. You can move it however you like, but I'm going to like shrink mine a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to add onion skinning because I have scratch add-ons. So let me just change this. Okay, so now I can see the size of this. So now I'm just going to do so that's I'm going to change that to really similar. Okay, let me fix the curvature. Okay, so now it's similar. I can just turn off the onion skinning, and now if I hold I, it shows we only have this one. If I go to guns, wait, no, if I go to players, sorry, I can go to list, add, and then inventory. If I add bouncer, run to inventory. If I hold I, you can see it's there too. If I add health pack, then it should be there too. Yep. So now our inventory is complete. So let's look at equipped, right? So we have equipped here. And if I click this, boom, it shows equipped to health pack. So let's go to stage. As you can see, it repeals to not get press if key, press use item in inventory and wait. So when I receive use item in inventory, so let's change this. So instead of showing list and asking, if not, and then if not equipped is equal to blank, and equipped is equal to health pack, then we do health regenerating. Else we just set equip to item and well actually no, whenever we click something it sets equip to that, so we don't need this anymore. We don't need to use item in inventory, so we actually don't even, we could just remove, wait, actually let's keep some of this. So let's add the, wait, let's keep this stuff and we don't need this. When green flag clicked forever, if equipped is equal to health pack, let's say health regenerating, broadcast health regenerate, and then we delete, and then item number. Wait, actually, you know what? Let's go to the no, let's go to our inventory, right? So equip. So let's make a new variable called equip number for our sprites. So when green flag clicked, let's set equip number to 0. So let me grab green flag clicked. Okay, and then here, if mouse not touching mouse pointer, we say equip to number 2, and then we set it to I. We say equip number to I. Okay, now let's go back to the backdrops. Okay, we don't need this hide list stuff. So we delete equip number of inventory. We set equipped to blank, and then we set equipped number to 0. Okay. So now then let's drag this into our inventory, and we could just remove that. So now here, if mouse not touching mouse pointer, we say join item into inventory. Or actually, instead of hiding, let's just make a blank costume. Okay, so now that we have a blank costume, we don't need to hide anymore, so we'll show the sprite. Let's add show here. But instead, we'll just switch costume to costume 1. And then, if that, we could just say it here. You could say item custom, join item enter inventory selected. And then we could just say blank after. Okay, so now let's start. If I hold I, if I click this, look, it's pistol gun. And if I boom, now we have our gun. Okay. So now what if I add health pack to inventory? So let's go to inventory, health pack. Okay, so now if I hold that, if I click this, finish health regen, but we don't want it to be that fast. Well, because it doesn't exactly wait. We broadcast health regen. Health regen 2, because I can't think of another name. So then not health regen 2. We broadcast equip. Okay. So then when I receive equipped, where is it? Oh, here it is. We say it instead for 2 seconds. Okay, I hope you're getting all of this. So now on the stage, you saw how whenever it did health regen, it did it way too quickly. So we removed the health regen, didn't we? Oh, when I receive, actually, where's the health regen? Here, so it's actually in the item sprite, health selected. It doesn't run from. Wait, okay, let's try it now. We add. So health regen. Wait, no, we add inventory health pack. Okay. So if I click this, oh, I actually clicked it 2 times. Oh yeah, because we have max health. So if I set health to maybe 1, okay, hold on, health regenerating. Oh, it's so selected. Finish health regen. Okay, so now it's as you see, it starts to work, but the inventory just doesn't exactly work that great. So instead, we will hide at the beginning whenever we're starting to make this stuff, and then we show at the end. Okay, let's see how that works now. Let's go back to items. Okay, so now if I set health to 1, so if I move forward, let me add health pack to inventory. So now if I click this, it says health regenerating. Finish health regen, and boom. But I know you guys saw that glitch. So let's go back to the inventory. Is this thing run for screen refresh? If it is. Okay, so let's just test this one more time. So health to 1. Hold I, health pack. Oh, you saw that showed selected there. But why is that? Why is it doing that? Like, I honestly don't really know. So create inventory, okay. Let's just look at our code. So first, we hide, and then whenever we broadcast equipped, we're hidden. So the the clones. It's because the clones. The clones are also saying it, so that's why it does that. So we don't need this hide and show anymore. All it is because of the clones. Okay, I see now. So let's set I to 0 over here. We set I to 0 before and after the repeat loop. So let's bring this up here. Or actually, I is set to 1 up there. So if I is equal to 0, so not answer of inventory. Instead, we'll just say join equipped selected. Okay, so I think that's good. Let's see. So as you saw, it barely shows it. It only if I hold it, that's when it does it. So it says for 2 seconds, but that immediately like hides. And whenever you hide it, I get wait, it's not even hidden, it's shown. Wait, let me go back to inventory. Yeah, it's shown. Oh yeah, because this say. Okay, let's do this. So now if I do full screen, yes, it shows pistol gun selected for 2 seconds. And then when you hide it, it still shows, but whatever. Okay, so then how about we just say blank when the I key is not pressed anymore? Okay, let's try that now. So if I click this and then okay. So as you saw, this is pretty good, but we just need to add the items. So let's go to the oh yeah, we don't need this anymore. I key pressed. Oh, this is already it's already 16 minutes. Okay, let's add it to portals and health bars. So improved health bars and then items. Okay, let's see now. Well, yep. Now all it shows is the inventory and the surrounding background. So that as you can see, it's selected. Okay, this is such a good game. So now I don't need to press I plus U. I can just click what I want, and then if I do this, I can grab it, and it sets it equal to it. Oh yeah. Also, I added the use affix. Now I have to change this. Okay, and now I also have to update this stuff. So instead of 17 sprites, it's 20. We go do that. Okay. 2001 blocks. That's crazy. Okay, so now that I'm done, I'm so proud of myself. But this is like weird because if I move out of the way here, sometimes this thing turns black. I don't know why, but yeah. But if I use inventory, oh look at that. The ghost effect just stopped working. Okay, so let's go to joystick. We set ghost effect to 40. Here we go. And then Strophe, we set ghost effect to 40. Okay. Now this should work. Also, I just thought whenever you start with the health pack. So now, okay, how about instead, let's go to here in the inventory. So how about we do that instead the stage says this. Okay, so now let's just drag this here and let's try this. Okay, so now if I go to inventory, then I click this, is oh, why did it just do that? Equip, oh, delete quit number of inventory. Equipped. Oh yeah, because it sets immediately, right? Okay, so let's go back to the event. So now if I do full screen and restart, okay, so if I click this, pistol gun selected, okay, and then if I do the health pack, it immediately gets deleted. So now pressing I plus U doesn't work. But wait, if I go here by the enemy, can they still try to get me? Oh, yep, they still can. Yep. Also, this that the enemies collide with you, like actually like collide. Basically, in the moving steps, I did that. It also does the player if we're touching the player. So I actually probably shouldn't do this. So let me just set this to or. Okay. So now I just have to do the touchy player. Okay. So now I don't need this anymore. Now, let go. Wait, here if for touchy player, then we gotta change health by -1, right? So we change the player's health by -1. Okay, so now I can just duplicate this. I put in before the change X and change Y's. And now, where's my other player? Oh yeah, I don't need to do kill condition anymore. Or maybe I should replace this with kill condition. So instead I'm going to replace these with the kill condition. Okay. So now, if I start the green flag, they come straight towards me, my health gets removed, but the collision still works. Okay, so now if I go, okay, escape, and then I have 2 health packs now. It feels so good that I don't have to press R plus U anymore. And I don't have to put the number, I can just click when I want. Okay. Now I can just shoot him. Yeah. Those ones are one shot. Also, I said that the reload counter can also, like, set your ammo. Like, if it's not reload, if it's not counting. Yeah, I did a lot of major updates. I'll put the link to my game in the description. So, like, maybe you guys want to play. Oh, yeah, this is where you get the bouncer gun here. So if I do this, I can just click this and boom. And basically, I did lots of updates to this one. Now I go to that direction of where it's pointing. So now if I do this, as you saw, it went in that direction. It does it pretty smoothly too. Like if I do this, oh wait, if I just do this, right, and then I don't look, it's pretty smooth. Yeah, anyways, let me just sprint. Hey, let me just do this. I'm loading again, then I got okay. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share as helps the channel. Hit the notifications bell. Have a wonderful